117.
Nice.
158. And I can't.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to MacMerlin. And once again, I'm going to the Seattle Living Computer Museum for the greatest event in the world!
You already said that.
Really? I said it already? Well, looks like I said it in the last video, but it's so great that we're doing it once again. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Seattle's Summer Mechanical Keyboard Meetup. I'll catch you all after the break.
Hello, sail on a journey with me. So this is my Varmillo VA68M keyboard. It's an aluminum keyboard and it has DSA Royal Navy, hence the sailing. And I really like this keyboard. It's super heavy and it's like, it just feels really good. This one has 65G Zelios, and so it's like still tactile but pretty heavy. And I really liked this. And then I saw the Varmillo limited edition. And so they have a Valentine's Day limited edition. They made 50 of these in the world. This one's number 8. And what's cool about this one is it's very similar to the other one, except it's made with magnesium instead of aluminum. So it's much lighter. The metal is softer even, and it just feels really good. It's with clear switches, and it has these custom cute little keycaps, and it's super pink. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, well, what you see here, down here, is the original Ergodox prototype. I got the motherboards, the PCBs from B. Epiphany from Sweden. I think he's from Sweden. And I built the very first one in North America. And then after I built it, I drew the case, designed the case, and then I released the drawing. All the Ergodox cases from then on out was based on my drawing. This one is with the palm rest. Most people just build the one without the palm rest. So yeah, this is the original one. We have the IBM M15 with numpad, which is rare. The Cherry Ergo MX5000. The Ergodox, of course, the VEA. The Qi with the original real die-up, the original die-up Solaric. This is the real one, not the replicas. And then I have KMAC 1,
All right, we are
This
going
one's
to make
light.
our first announcement for winners of the giveaway.
And
Just
then
give you a
the
little bit of
K-Mac
understanding
2,
of how this is going to work.
which is very hot,
Actually, before I say
heavy
that,
to
those
pick
of you
up.
that are in the back room,
Very thick.
I'm just making.
Hi, I'm Evan from the Van Keyboards. Most notable keyboard that I've created is the Minivan, which is a compact 40% keyboard. Main features are the split spacebar and the ability to access function rows from both sides. I think the standard layout's the best, but if you want to change it, it's easily programmable. I've got a web configurator that makes generating layouts super easy. I love Mini keyboards. I use them 100%.
Okay, this is an OTD 356 Mini, as you can see from the weight. It has vintage black stems. It's 60%, and I love using it for work.
That was probably the biggest meetup I have ever been to, and it's the biggest meetup that I've ever heard of. There were so many people there, I could barely move around. Basically, there were so many boards that we had roughly 30 seconds per board to see them all. So I was just panning my camera as fast as I could, trying to get every single one of them, and I know I missed a few. Anyway, it's almost midnight right now, and I'm just so tired. The meetup ended around 4. After we tore everything down, we got out around 5, went to dinner at King's Barbecue up in Shoreline, and after that we went to an after party, which I thought I would film, but I figure I'll let someone else do the storytelling. As I said before, this event was huge. I could barely move around, didn't see all the keyboards I wanted, but I did see that M65A, which I was really hoping to win, but I didn't. Though, this happened though. Okay, I think we just did our 4th round of giveaways, and I still haven't won anything, but my wife did. Yes! So my wife won a wrist rest. This one's from Battle Station IO. It's kind of Seahawks colors. It's made for TKL, but I'm actually using it for my Octagon. Yes, I did build my Octagon, but I didn't bring it. If you had stayed till the very end, we started calling out names of people who hadn't won anything. And I was one of those people, so I won another wrist vest, and this one's a 40%. Not sure what I'll use it for yet. What I loved most about the event was the number of people I got to talk to. Basically, I met people who I'd traded with, people who were in my group buys, and people who I've only read about or, I don't know, joined their group buys on Massdrop. But it was an honor and a pleasure to meet everyone. I had such a great time. If you're ever looking to try a keyboard or see what a key set looks like in person, look for a meetup in your area. I highly recommend it. I really hope that this video has encouraged you and motivated you to join a community such as this. Special thanks to the Living Computer Museum for hosting this event and to SeaKeys for organizing it, and to our numerous and many sponsors for all the giveaways, and everyone who came and gave us a giveaway as well. Thank you very much. Without you guys, this event would not have been possible. Anyway, before I go, I do have one last gem for you. This meetup allowed me to play with boards that were well beyond my financial means, and one such board is this.
Yeah, this is my OTD 360C. I spent $3,000, clearly. This is my sick gamer set that I won in the giveaway, kind of. It's a unique layout, but I try to figure it out as I go. These prismatics, $100 each.
What's the deal with?
Oh yeah, and there's no PCB, so that makes it hard to gain too. I got this from ETF directly. He's my dad, so can't you see the resemblance? It's all in the mustache, really. It's coming in. Yeah, I don't need the other keys. This is my gaming board. It's pretty much trash. I'm only Topper guy, but I have this lying around. It's pretty good.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching my video. Whether you're looking for your first mechanical keyboard, or you're on your 10th Korean custom, you're at the right place. Make sure you subscribe, and if you liked the video, hit that like button. Stay tuned for the next video.